Daon tag durian. There you go. Durian. Durian. Oh shit. Dijon, you do it, durian. Do you smell the smelly thing? Who wants some durian? Oh my god. This is so big. This is so big. Oh my god. It's not even sweet, dude. It's not sweet. And it's $15. What? So expensive now. What? 15? I don't know. I guess so. Dijon, do you want some? Tell you, this smells terrible. But tastes like... No, the taste is nice. I guess the other one is better. You know the one, the small one? This is just like too big. But of course the taste is durian lah. Of course, what else? Durian. Want some durian? Durian. Do you want to try? Even doesn't run away, you know. I think she doesn't like the smell. Ang mahal nito. Mahal. Ang baho. Bye bye.